everyone, I am Fiona. Today we are happy to share a video with you showing our 6-side EPS packaging machine running in a customer's factory. The footage demonstrates the EPS foam box packaging process, where the equipment operates smoothly and significantly improves packaging efficiency compared to manual operation. Before the 6-side EPS packaging process, our customer pre-packaged the EPS foam boxes using PE strapping. While this step is simple, it's highly practical as it effectively prevents EPS foam boxes from becoming loose or falling during transportation or handling, ensuring products reach customers in perfect condition. We hope this video gives you a more intuitive understanding of how our EPS packaging machine performs in actual production. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.